Good evening, learners. Today we are going to look at a strand in grade 7, fractions. So when we talk of fractions, we have three types of fractions: proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. So let's start with proper fractions. So in proper fractions, we find that the numerator is smaller than the denominator. For example, 3/8 or 3/8, let's look at that fraction. When we compare between 3 and 8, 3 is smaller than 8, meaning the numerator, that is 3, is smaller than the denominator 8. Hence, we say that is a proper fraction. Another example, say there is improper fraction. In improper fraction, we find that the numerator is bigger than the denominator. For example, 8/3. 8/3. So we find that 8 is bigger than 3. We can say that a bigger number is being carried by a very small number. That is an improper fraction. Lastly, we have mixed fractions. In mixed fractions, we have a whole number, and a fraction. For example, we have 1 whole and 3/8. So this is an example of a mixed fraction whereby we have a whole number and a fraction. So in our topic today, we are going to look at addition of proper fractions. For example, when you are given a problem to solve, let's have an example: 3/8 plus 2/4. So what do? First of all, we look for the LCM of 8 and 4. So let's look for the LCM. So we write 8 and 4. Then we start with the smallest number. Let's start with 2. So 8 divided by 2, we get 4. 4 divided by 2, we get 2. Then we take another number 2. 4 divided by 2, we get 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. Lastly, we take 2. 2 divided by 2, we get 1. And 1 divided by 2, so we leave it at that, so we get 1. So in this case, our LCM will be 2 by 2 by 2, which is 8. So we go back to our fraction. You draw a line, put your 8 there. Then let's say 8 divided by 8, what do we get? We get 1. 1 times 3, you write your 3 there. You add 8 divided by 4, get 2. 2 times 2, we get 4. So our answer will be 7/8. So that is the answer. What if we are given a question? Work out 3/4 plus 1/2. What do? First of all, we look for the LCM of 4 and 2, which is 4. So 4 divided by 4, we get 1. 1 times 3, 3, plus 4 divided by 2, we get 2, times 1, 2. So our answer becomes 5/4. So in this case, our answer is an improper fraction and we cannot leave it at that. So what we do, we divide 4 divided by 5. So 4 to 5, we take 1. 1 times 4, get 4. But you subtract, you get 1. So our answer becomes 1 whole and a quarter. So that is the answer.